Halo. Pull. Oh. Ya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today, my friend? Okay, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Gani Indriswanto and my partner.
My name is Eka Nembriati.
We are from Group 1. Okay, as you can see on the screen, our topic is business and businessman, which Eka will explain business material and I will explain businessman material. Okay, I will tell you table of contents. The first one is definition of business. The second one is concept in business. The third one is business goals. The fourth one is business function. The fifth one is business element and system. The sixth one is types of business. The seventh one is definition businessman. The eighth one is characteristic businessman. The ninth one is businessman roles and responsibility. The 10th one is skills record. The 11th one or the last one is challenge fast pay businessman. Okay, the first material is definition of business. Namely, definition of business will explained by Eka. Please, Eka.
Thank you, Gani. Okay, guys, I will explain about a business. So, what is business? According to Candelan, business is an economic activity that involves risks and uncertainty in the process of producing and distributing goods or service to meet human needs. Meanwhile, according to Griffin and Ebert, business is an activity that provides goods or service needed or desired by society with the aim of making a profit. The next material is concept in business. The concept in business is divided into four. The first is core strategy. Core strategy is a company's vision and mission statement that outlines the ideal outcomes that the company hopes to achieve. The second is strategic research. Strategic research is includes everything about core skill, core process, and strategic assets. And number three is customer interface. This is include everything related to information, support and fulfillment, relationship dynamics, and price structure. And the number four is value networks, which are all value networks that can strengthen and complement that company's research. The next material is business goals. Business goals divide into two. This is general goals and specific goals. The general goals, business tries to make a profit, gain a certain market share or segment, and achieve business continuity. And the specific goals can be in the form of creating a good image, the best product quality, the best service, being amiable, extensive coverage, creating bestseller products, and selling products at price. The next material is business function. The business function divided into two. This is a micro business and a macro business. The first, I will explain about a micro business. A is workers. Workers want a good salary for their work. When managing one high performance as shown by the amount of sales replacement and profit. Number two is board of commissioners. The board of commissioners is needed to represent the shareholders, to monitor activities and supervise management, ensuring activities will run to achieve goals. And the last is shareholders. Shareholders have a certain interest and responsibilities to the company. And the second, I will explain about a macro business. The first, the community around the company or a global community is expect that the existence of the company contributes to the surrounding community as a form of corporate social responsibility. And the second is country and state. Realizing one's duty to the country and state is demonstration by paying tax as required. And the next material is about business element and system. Business element and system divided into four. The first is capital. Capital can be interpreted as the amount of money used to carry out business activities such as obtaining raw materials, labor waste, and so on. And the second is materials. Material is what needs to be considered to achieve business excellence is the quality of materials because it can affect the quality of the products produced. And number three is human resource. According to Nawawi, human resource employed in a company must meet the qualification. A is have competitive ability or competitive human resource, and B is have high quality abilities or quality human resource. And number four is management skill. Management skill is the most important skill or tools that enable managers to help others, in this case employees, to be more productive in the workplace. And the next material is type of business. Number one is manufacturing business. This is a business involved in the process of producing goods from raw material or components into finished products that can be sold to consumers, distributors, and retailers. The example of a manufacturing business is automotive industry, electronic industry, and the food and beverage industry. And number two is service business. Service business is a type of business that offers a service or expertise to customers rather than a physical product. The example for service business is health service, banking and finance, and entertainment and recreation. And number three is extractive business. A business that focuses on extracting natural resources directly from the natural environment for processing or sale. The example for extractive business is mining industry, oil and gas industry, and fishing industry. And the last is agrarian business. This is a business that focuses on the production, management, and distribution of agriculture products and crops. The example is agriculture, livestock, and forestry. Okay, that's material about a business that I can convey to you, and the next material will be explained by my partner.
Okay guys, I will explain by material about businessman material. The first material, namely definition of businessman. The businessman is an individual involved in business activity, either as an owner, founder, or manager of a company, as the main responsibility in making strategic decisions to achieve company goals. Businessman must be able to idea and good problem solving skills. And the next material is characteristic businessman. And the first one is vision and mission. Businessman must be able to have a long-term vision and clear goals. Number two is leadership skills. Businessman must be able to lead a team and make effective decisions. And number three is raise management skill. Businessman must be able to identify, evaluate problem, and manage business risk. And the fourth is innovative and creative. Businessman must be able to constantly looking for a new ways to improve product or service. And the last one is commit and discipline. businessman is focused on achieving goals despite challenge. And the next material is businessman roles and responsibility. And the first one is developing business strategy. Businessman design and implement strategy for company growth. And the number two is operational management. Manage the day-to-day operation of the company. The number three is financial decision making. Managing budget, investment, and funding. And number four is negotiation and partnership. Build relationship with client, supplier, and strategic partner. And the last one, the number five is product development and marketing. Businessman must be able to identify market opportunity and develop new product. Next material is skills required. The first one is market analysis. Businessman must be understand market trends and customer needs. Number two is effective communication. Must be able to convey idea and information clearly to the team, investor, and partner. Number three is negotiation skill. Businessman must be able to negotiate a favorable deal. And the last one is time management. Businessman is manage time and priority efficiently. Okay, the next material is challenge faced by businessman. Number one is intense market competition. Number two is economic uncertainty and regulatory change. Number three is dealing with failures and challenge in business. And the last one is human resource management and organizational culture. Okay, the next material is steps to becoming a successful businessman. Okay, I have five steps. The first one is define a clear vision and mission. Step two is create a detailed business plan. The three is expanding network and building relationship. Step four is text, measure, price. And the last one is continuously learn and adapt to market change. Okay, I will tell you conclusion is material business and businessman. Today's presentation is running a business records on understanding of business concept, objective, function, element, and system. Business success depends on the ability to manage resources effectively and adapt to environmental change. Our businessmen play an important role in economic development and innovation. And the last is it takes a combination of skills, vision, and courage to achieve success in the business world. Okay, there's reference about business and businessman that we can give to you. Sorry if there is a mistake in delivering today's material. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.